Good morning. Is it Claire?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who else is in love besides yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, we just need to come and have a word.
Yeah, it's cold, isn't it?
So, we've come over from South Yorkshire, working with Doncaster today. There's an allegation that you're going to have to be arrested for and come in to Doncaster custody. Back in February of last year, we suspect that you've supplied drugs in Balby area, Doncaster. For that, I need to arrest you for supplying Class A drugs.
Out of jail for that.
Yeah, well, you're under arrest on suspicion of that offence. Okay, so 2 seconds. You do not have to say anything, but it may have an offence if you don't mention any questions. Some which later on in court, and anything you do say may be given evidence. You can't ring anybody.